Hi, my name is Andre at New Element Training. In this short video, I would like to discuss the frequency with which you should be doing, this kind of form of strength training, what we call INNAT method. If you go to our website, newelementtraining.com, you see that we promote once or twice a week training, and the reason is for that infrequent frequencies because, well, first of all, it's a combination of the precise and highest quality equipment we use here and our one-on-one coaching that essentially will take you to the point of very deep stimulus that you're going to tap into those emergency fast twitch fibers that simply requires days to recover. So you don't want to do another workout before those muscles are fully recovered. Now, saying that, that's when you have combination of kind of quality equipment we use in our one-on-one supervision. So you're going to need those 3-5 days to go to the recovery cycle. Now, when you do it at home by yourself, the chances are you're very unlikely to push yourself, as hard as we would push you here, one-on-one. And also, you're going to be using most likely your body weight or some, lesser quality tools, resistance tools. So likely than not, you probably won't need that much recovery. So, for the purpose of this, I guess experiment with doing this kind of workout at home, given the circumstances that was going on outside, that promoting, social isolation, meaning you're staying home all day long for who knows for how many days or weeks. You probably don't want to do just one or two. It's actually, we recommend you should be doing 3 of this a week. So we can do, for example, upper-lower split. So you do upper body on Monday, 1 week, lower body on Wednesday, we'll say lower and core, another upper on Friday. And then the following week, do 2 lower and 1 upper. Do lower on Monday, upper body on Wednesday, and again another lower body on Friday. That way we're doing upper, lower, and we're alternating them from session to session, giving your muscles enough time to recover, adapt, and become stronger. So take that, keep that in mind. And if you want to learn more about our training, go to our website, newelementtraining.com. If you like to book an online coaching session with us, shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com, and we'll see how we can help you. Thank you.